welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You already know the deal. What's up? What's happening? What it do? As y'all can see, I'm happy because look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at the definition. Y'all see it. Y'all see what it's giving. It's giving, and it understood the assignment. Okay, period. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this beautiful perm rod set on my hair, on blow dried hair. I mean, y'all, get into the results. Like, if you want to see how I got this perm rod set results, continue to watch the video. I will give y'all step by step. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm starting off with blow dried hair. I am just so shook about how much my hair has grown so much, and I am in love with the color. Even though the color is growing out, y'all, I'm still in love with the color, okay? But I am showing y'all the products I'm using. I will be using the Lottabody milk product, perm rods, clips, rubber bands, as well as a comb and a brush. So let's get right into the video. So right here, all I'm doing is just basically parting my hair into sections just so that I can be able to go ahead and start on my hair. So I'm gonna just speed this process up just a little bit so y'all can just go straight to the video. Okay, so as y'all can see, I section off this piece. I'm putting emphasis on this piece because your parts don't have to be big at all whatsoever. It just depends on how much or how big you want your curls to be. So with me, I just section off this piece. Now I'm just clipping it back, and we're gonna get started. As y'all can see, I am starting from the bottom when it comes to combing out my hair. I want to make sure that there's no kinks, no type of curls in it. And then I'm just gonna take 3 scoops. I think that was 4, but anyways, that was 3 scoops. Now what I'm doing is just basically rubbing in the product. I am not going to let go of this piece. That is very important so that your hair does not go back in its curly state. Then I'm going to wrap the hair around the perm rod and start to roll up just a little bit. Then I'm going to go in a twisting motion where I'm twisting my hand either counterclockwise or clockwise. I'm not sure. But as y'all can see what I'm doing, I am just twisting it up so that it can form that curl. And then I'm just going to go ahead and snap the piece so that it can be perfect. Now that I completed one, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all a few more and just add in a few more clips and speed it up for y'all. So let's get into that process. Okay, so I'm back. So I decided to go ahead and put in slow motion. Remember to go ahead and wrap the hair, start twisting counterclock or clockwise, and then we're just going to go ahead and snap it. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and I am finally taking my hair down. I set it on the dryer for 45 minutes and let it air dry overnight, but I am just going with the flow with the with the rods. I'm not forcing any curls to come out. Just be very gentle. Remember, be very gentle because you do not want to cause any type of frizz. Okay, so I'm using this Pantene hydrating oil just to basically get my hands a little wet and oily so that it can have a little shine. We don't want our curls to be dry because it can have a dry look since we're doing it blow dry, but since I put this oil in, it gave me a good shine. I am just taking one curl at a time to separate. You don't have to separate if you don't want your hair very voluminous. I think that's a word, with a lot of volume basically. So you don't have to separate, but me, I love my hair big, I love it fluffy, I love it with a lot of volume. So I'm just basically separating that one curl into 3 different pieces. I'm going to fluff it out and that's it. That's all you really need. Okay, so y'all can see a difference between unraveling and not raveling. So now what I'm about to do is just go in, get my pick. You don't have to use a pick if you don't have one. You can use a wide tooth comb, a comb in general, but I'm about to go ahead and pick out my hair, fluff my hair out. Like I said, this is very optional, but as you can see, I am not touching the ends of my hair. I am only fluffing out the roots because that's where we have our volume, and you do not want to mess up those beautiful curls, sis. Like, no. So all I'm going to do is just go ahead and pin out my hair. This was actually Christmas Day, so I wanted to get the hair on my face but still have a cute hairstyle. So yeah. Okay, so I had to put this in slow motion, do like a little 1-2-1-2 for y'all because y'all, these results came out so bomb. Like, sis, it came out so bomb. The curls are there, the shine is there, the volume is there, the fluffiness is there, everything is there. I had to give y'all a little smile, a little duck lips, like a little shake. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video. So y'all know I could not leave y'all hanging and not show y'all how I go to sleep at night with this hairstyle. So this is actually day 2 hair. It's a little frizzy, but the curls are still there. So I'm gonna show y'all how I go to bed, how I tie my hair, because I have to do that for y'all because y'all know I love y'all. So I get this question all the time, so I just want to go ahead and show you how I do it. So continue to watch the video. We almost done. Just continue to watch the video so y'all can get my little secret of how I go to sleep. So y'all know I can't forget the rings because that just attracts my hair, I don't know, and it just causes frizz. But what I'm doing is just basically, I have a scrunchie or a headband. You can get anything you have, and then just put it into a pineapple. You just sliding your hair up to the front of your head. Then I'm gonna get a huge scarf, y'all, a huge scarf that you tie your edges with. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to go ahead and continue to leave it in that pineapple shape, and then I'm just going to tie it. Make sure all of your hair is out of the way because we don't want to pull any type of hair strands. We don't want nothing stuck, and we just want to keep it in that pineapple style. Okay, so once we have the scarf, now you see me taking that rubber band off simply because we don't want any dents. We don't want anything showing that we had a rubber band in our head the night before. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that scarf and make sure that it's pulled all the way up. Even though you look crazy, it's okay. Pull it all the way up. Then I'm gonna get a huge bonnet. I got this from my local beauty supply. You can find it anywhere, Amazon, anywhere. And I just put that over my head, and that's how I call it a night. And that's pretty much it.